In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can find your referral code on TEMU. You can simply get your referral code and share it to earn referral bonus on TEMU in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your TEMU app. On your home page, tap right here on your profile. On this page, scroll down onto the option of Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Select the last option of Refer and Earn. Tap on Spin to get a reward. Tap right here on Invite New App User. Tap on Copy Link. That's your referral link, and whenever you share it to anyone, you receive coins on your account. The more people click to redeem to your referral link, the more coins you earn on your TEMU account. That's how easy it is to get your referral link on TEMU. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.